Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Range Rover Sport steering wheel. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the battery is disconnected to prevent any electrical issues. Make sure the front wheels are perfectly straight before you begin. Gather all your tools, including a suitable Torx bit set, to make the process smooth and efficient. Safety is key, so take your time with each step. Now let's tackle the airbag. On the sides of the steering wheel, you'll find two small access holes. Insert a thin tool, like a small screwdriver, into these holes to release the spring clips holding the airbag module. Once released, carefully pull the airbag forward. Disconnect the electrical connectors by gently pressing their tabs. Always handle the airbag with care. With the airbag safely out of the way, you can now access the main steering wheel retaining bolt. This is typically a Torx T50 bolt located in the center. Use the correct size Torx bit and a ratchet to loosen and remove it. Before pulling the wheel off, mark its position on the shaft with a pen. This ensures proper alignment during reinstallation. Reinstalling the steering wheel is straightforward. Align the marks you made earlier on the steering wheel and the shaft, then slide the wheel back into place. Insert and tighten the central retaining bolt, ensuring it's secure. Reconnect the airbag's electrical connectors and carefully push the airbag module back until it clicks. Finally, reconnect your battery and test all functions. Remember to check the description for the Kindle Paperwhite link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.